Okay, I'm in my crawl space, and I was doing some looking around here to see find any problems I had. This is part of the return air, and like I said, this is the crawl space, and I found this. This is the original sheetrock ductwork, and that they just use sheet metal and close it off. And I'm pretty sure this is just pulling air from the crawl space into the house to the return air. This stuff here was an attempt that they put in. We're attached to the heating system. It's dead. It's a dead furnace over here, dead unit, and I've been slowly removing all the stuff. But anyway, I found this big hole here. So what I'm going to do is, you can see all this dirt and dust here. You can pretty much tell it's just been sucking God knows how long. And I thought I found most of them, but I just found this another day. And then here's a nice one. They got the cable TV hooked in here. Just drilled through. I'm sure that's what happened. They tore this down to get to that. You know, somebody put cable TV in here years ago. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this down, see what I got to do. I brought a bag full of tools and screws and see if I can seal this up better. But that's what I'm going to do for right now. I'm going to tear this all apart and see what we got. Okay, just took this panel off. I went and cut this. I'm not sure what the pipe went to at one time. But here, this is, I've seen cobwebs. Nothing goes to nothing. Not sure what the deal was originally. But there is, I can feel the air just being sucked through here. So that is the return air line. As I can feel the air being pulled towards me, or into it. So this basically been sucking air, and you can see how filthy it is in cobwebs. I'm going to take this last piece of sheet metal right here off. And I got the dogs upstairs having a fit. I think something's breaking into the house, I guess. So I'm going to take off this piece here, and then I'm going to fabricate somehow to close this off. I'm not sure why this was originally made like this. So I'm going to pause it for a second and take a look again. Okay, now I'm looking at this again. So this is you can just see it, just shit being pulled in there. Crazy. So that's my return air. I realize right above this, there's return air that goes into my house. I know because there's a cable that's here. And obviously so they had set it up for whatever reason. This goes up to inside the 2x4s. Right up inside there. I don't know if you can really see it there. That's a junction electrical box. Going up through there was originally the return air. So it's basically useless. And and here's some more. And here's some more return airs. There we go. There's some more. That's the hall return air. Got it now. Here, I found this part. There's a hallway that runs right through here from my house. And there's the return air to that. That is just disgusting. So, look at all that crap that's been collecting. Who knows what that is? So what I'm going to do is, oh my God, that's disgusting. I'm going to seal this off for now. And then I'm going to come and fix this up. Because this is more than a 10 or 15 minute job. So these return airs are going to be shut off for now. And that's what that was. It goes to another one, believe it or not. I can just feel air pouring down through there. So what I'm going to do is seal this off for now. I'm going to take all these cobwebs out of here. And that's probably going to change my heating bill. So I've got a wet rag here. And I'm just going to go and wipe all this out. So I'm going to pause it so I can reach up and set it better. Okay. So we got some 10 steps. I'm going to cut. Ooh, that's really bright. Cut this up. Fold this up and seal this off for now so I can do it later until I can do this properly. So I'm just going to cut this up here, fold it up here, and seal it off for now until I get what I need to do to fix this properly. So that's what I'm going to do right now. All right, so what I've done so far, just bent it back, a couple screws in there because I'm going to take it back down. I'm going to put some tape up here now to seal it. Ouch, son of a bitch, just cut myself right there. Good job, John. And then I'm just going to take some tape and tape that off. And we'll do that real quick. Okay, so what I've done here is I've bent that up, sealed this up with that, not duct tape, of course, temporarily. And I also clogged this because it was pulling air through here. I just stuffed a bunch of insulation paper side in, so it would be pulling air through there. Don't feel no drafts coming through here now. I did come around here, and this is the return. Sealed it up along here because it was pulling air there, little hole here. There's one back here, but I can't get to it. So I gotta do some more work on, probably redo this whole thing actually eventually. But, so, sealed this hole up. I'm not sure if that was return or not. The 2 returns I sealed off for now, so crap wouldn't be, cold air just wouldn't be just rising through here. That is not a big deal. Like I said, this is the old duct that, God, it's nasty. I'm pulling this all out slowly. It's not hooked up to anything. They're floor vents they put in the house. They're useless. They're all half-ass put up here. That's a dead line there. New system was installed, but they kind of half-ass put it in there too. So anyway, I'm just slowly going through and repairing this stuff as I find it. But for now, I'm going to leave this like this. Yes, I know it closed off one of my turn ears and the pressure and all that, but it's a temporary thing. So what I'll do, until I figure out how to get that connected to the return ears over here, probably have to do something similar. I might get some fiber board or something like that. I'll look around and see what's on the web and figure out how to do it. So it's not like this anymore. But for now, that's what I'm going to do. Of course, this cable, useless. So stuff like this, you know, like I said, I was basically holding it. This air down here is about 45 degrees, 50 degrees. I was pulling this dirty, filthy air into my system. And so that's going to reduce my bill and the dirt and grime coming to the house. But anyway, let's just call this part 1 for now. And then once I figure out what I'm going to do, I'll come back down and do it some more. Well, thanks for watching. And I guess I also have 300 subscribers now, which is kind of crazy. Kind of slow about putting up videos, but I do them when I get the opportunity. And I don't do much editing. I just do a kind of one-shot thing. So anyway, when I get some more work done here, I'll post it some more. And thanks for watching. Bye.